What do you do to still and quiet your mind? Are you meditating? Are you introspective? Are you contemplative? Are you sitting in nature, drowning out the noise of technology and modernization that, literally destroys our ability to think and distracts us, enhances the monkey mind. So obviously it's metformin, sitting in nature, being contemplative. If you can meditate, obviously meditation is great, but you don't have to meditate, but you have to get to a place where you can still your mind. A desire to know that you can extend your life and live as long as you want. You hear that statement, you're only as old as you feel. So it's like, if I, in my mind, desire to live to 140 longer and stronger, then in the same impact, I have to create systems and create a lifestyle that allows me to do that. And that lifestyle is obviously exercise. That lifestyle is living insulin controlled. That lifestyle is fasting, so I can increase autophagy and hormesis. And essentially, again, just create those processes. And again, that all comes from silencing the mind and knowing that I can do those things.